How to upload Capcut videos to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Facebook application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to the Play Store and make sure that your Facebook application is updated. Now as you can see, my app is updated, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to go for CapCut application. Now as you tap on CapCut application, you can choose any video that you want to post to Facebook. So here I'm choosing one of this. So when you tap on the three dotted lines, you can see no option of uploading it directly to Facebook. So we're going to tap on the video, then tap on export by tapping on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen and wait until the video gets exported. Now after the file gets exported, you can see different social media handles and the Facebook is also available over there. So just tap on Facebook at the bottom. Then here's the post that has been created directly from the CapCut, and now you can post it on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.